So we've made a change. Zaps, tables, interfaces, and MCP combined into one core plan. The platform gives you new ways to take advantage of AI. Level 1, use AI to move faster. Take lead capture. You get a form fill out from a lead using an interfaces form that you've built. Then with AI, you can enrich the leads. You capture everything about that lead in Zapier tables. From there, you can literally click buttons to send qualified leads to your CRM. You get from lead capture to qualified leads fast, and you'll love this. When you set up a Zap using any of the actions from tables or interfaces, those don't count as tasks. But here's the real sauce. Did I just say sauce? Yes, I said sauce. You get to level 2, AI orchestration. Now AI is not just speeding things up, it's working the funnel for you. You capture leads when they fill out a form, maybe they attended a webinar or clicked a link in an email. You automate this using Zaps. You still use AI to enrich the lead. Then you build an AI agent that wakes up on every change to a lead. It reads this living profile in tables. It scores an intent and decides what action to take next. If the agent sees there's high intent with a lead, then it can draft a personalized email about the webinar. So now you have this whole AI orchestrated system keeping your CRM clean with high intent. And with MCP, you can be inside of Claude or ChatGPT, and in your chat, take one of 30,000 different actions that are available in Zapier. Explore Zaps, tables, interfaces, and MCP all within one plan and start building today.